everybody, welcome back, and today we're going to be doing these super cute breast cancer awareness nail art. So let's get into the video. So here I am with a couple dips of clear, and I'm using my Sparkle & Co. peel base this time. I know, shocker, not using my nail guards, but we're going to try this out this time so I can change it quickly when needed. I'm going to be using these two colors, this classy French pink, which is gorgeous, and then another sunset photo. They're both by Sparkle & Co. And of course, I'll be capping everything in clear. Here's my Sparkle & Co. clear. I'll be using the Virgo and Gem dip liquids. So let's go ahead and get this on my nails. I'm going to go ahead and put these powders on with a little bit of nail magic. And here we are. So excuse my little bit red cuticles. I just filed, buffed, activated, got my nail colors on. And I'm going to be using these two stamping plates. They're both by Maniology. This is a fall abstract plate. And then this one is Young Living, something like that. If you're interested in Maniology at all, I have some discount codes. I will link them below. I'll be using my Born Pretty stamping polishes. And I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of the giveaway I'm going to be doing, and I'll tell you more about that at the end of the video. So here we are. Let's get some nail art on my nails. I really liked this abstract plate because it had the little ribbons kind of running through it, and it reminded me of the breast cancer awareness ribbon. So I chose to do that, and we're just going to do an ombre. So I'm just layering a stripe of each color. Now you can do this with a couple colors. You can do it with 4 like I'm doing. Less, more. You don't have to stripe it. You can dot different colors around. You know, get creative with your process and try different things. So as you swipe, the colors blend together and you get this really pretty ombre. And this is how it turned out. I just really love this one. It's so dainty, and I love that it had the ribbons already kind of going through it. So I'm just going to line that up on one of the pink nails, and when I have it where I want it, I will press it down. And there we go. Stamp is on, and I'm just kind of looking at it, making sure I like how everything is. I'll use my lint roller to kind of clean up a little and just press the stamp down. And then I'll clean up my stamper and my stamping plate. And I wanted the ribbon to be a little more prominent, so what I did was just take one of the darker pink colors right on one of the small ribbons and just pick that up. And then I'll use my lint roller to clean up anything that I don't want. And I'm going to find the lighter pink spot and just stamp right over it with that ribbon. And now it's more prominent. And I love how the colors all mix together. It just looks so cute. I went ahead and did the same thing on the other ribbon just to make sure that it was going to stand out and look really cute. So I'm picking that up, cleaning up anything that I don't want to stamp down, and then I'll line it up exactly where it was and stamp over. So you can layer your stamps. You can do what I did here to make them pop a little more. Like I said, get creative with it. There's no rules. So here's how that finger came out, and I absolutely love it. Now we're going to go ahead and add a little detail to the pinky. So I decided to do these polka dots and this little ribbon here. I know it's not exactly the breast cancer awareness ribbon, but I felt like it really went with the rest of the theme. You know, I didn't have anything specific for breast cancer awareness when I was asked to join this collab. I didn't know what I was going to do, so I just kind of used what I had. I got creative, and I really like how this came out. So while you watch me stamp my pinky, I'll tell you a little bit more about the collab. So there is going to be quite a few videos. Each day is going to have a different video for the collab, and each person has a different day. So you made it to mine. I will leave the calendar of all the ladies and all the videos in the description box below. So make sure you check that out and give them some love. You know, bringing awareness to breast cancer is huge. Please make sure you're doing your breast self exams. If you are worried at all about anything, just go get a checkup. It's always better safe than sorry. If there is anything, you want to catch it early. You know, as women, our breast health is something that we should be talking about, and it should be out there. So do it. Just do it. All right, so I'm just adding a little bit more detail here to the thumbnail. I picked up that little breast cancer ribbon, or what it looks close enough to the ribbon to count for me anyway. And then I'm just going to put that right on the edge of my thumbnail. And this one ended up being my most favorite design. I love the little dots in the background. It looks so cute. And then I went ahead and chose the word hope from the same plate. I felt like that really embodied, when I think of breast cancer, I just think of hope. I just hope for the best for everybody. I hope for a better future. I just hope for the best for everyone. So here's my hope nail. And I went ahead and topped it with a glossy top coat. I'm using this one here by Virgo and Gem, and it's my second time using it, so I can't give you a thumbs up or thumbs down at this point. It's working well, but I like to use gel top coat on top of my stamps because it doesn't make them run or blur. It's very, very easy to work with when you're doing stamping. I do prefer the look of dip top coat, but it does make my designs run. So here's the finished product with 2 coats of the gel polish on each nail, and how my designs came out. They're super glossy. I just cleaned up around the edges with a little acetone and a brush to get any of that excess stamping off. And here's what we're left with. Little sparkle to make it interesting. And now I'm going to put some cuticle oil on. This is the one I'm using. And I love this part. It's just like my fingers are like, yes, thank you. So now that I have my cuticle oil on, I will show you what the nails look like. So here's my hope nail and the little abstract nail art, my glitter nails, the cute pinky. And I love how everything is different, but the color scheme is the same throughout. And I was really, really impressed with these nails. So let's talk giveaway. I'm going to link below the video where I talk about this giveaway in more detail, so make sure you check that out. I'm going to be giving away all these cute little decals and a set of 5 stamping polishes from Born Pretty. So make sure you check that out in the description box below as well. Yeah, we'll be having this giveaway coming up here soon, so you still have time. These were the finished nails. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Check out the other ladies, do your breast self-exam, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.